Hello, leaders. Today, I am walking you through the exact process of becoming an ASEA Brand Partner in 2026. This is for the person ready to build a global business in one of our 34 active countries. First, go to my official website, aseaglobal.com/amandanav. Step 1. Choose your country. Ensure you select the correct region so your products ship locally. Step 2. Select Join Our Team. You will see different enrollment packages available. I recommend Entrepreneur Essentials Enrollment Package. Or feel free to reach out to me so we can discuss what fits your budget best. This option offers great value and provides enough product for you to fully experience the 90-day reset. Remember, there are three simple steps to success. Number one, pick your package. Two, subscribe for success. You can cancel at any time. Three, check out and start earning. Step 3. Personal information. To comply with international business laws, you will need your full name, model number, email address, and birthday. Step 4. Tax identification. Because this is a legitimate weekly paycheck business, you must provide your tax identification number or TIN.
Step 5. Payment. You will need your Visa or MasterCard ready. Once your payment is successful, you are officially part of my global team. Step 6. As soon as you join, I will reach out to schedule our first strategy call. Remember, you have a 30-day. Please note, if you order today, use code AMANDANAV at checkout for an immediate 10% discount.